Let me take you around Whitecroft Junction. The local builder merchants unloading some wood. A wedding at the local church. The bride and groom looking radiant. Some of our workers in the siding area. Waiting at the farm shop, but no one is serving at the moment. The posh lady collecting her milk from the dairy van. Looks like the pub is open, with customers going in. A few people enjoying the beer garden with a pint or two. Bert, the crossing keeper, looking after the level crossing, allowing trains or vehicles to cross. Two young train spotters getting the engine numbers for their train books. Old farmer Giles feeding his cows with some hay. Mrs. Giles, the farmer's wife, checking on the pigs. Mrs. Jones in the old cottage garden, hanging out her washing. The local police checking that no shop robberies are happening. Looks like old Granny Smith is still cleaning her windows. The town market in full swing, buying and selling their goods. This train terminates here. Please ensure that you take all your belongings with you when you leave the train. Thank you for traveling to Whitecroft Junction.